One apple a day keeps the doctor away. That's what your mom told you, right? And most of you follow it. That helps to put apples in the number one spot for fruit consumption in the United States. And apple juice consumption ranks second, only after orange juice. Unfortunately, some toxic chemicals like lead and arsenic can be present in the apples and apple products because those two chemicals can occur naturally in soils and they are also the main ingredients in lead arsenate, a pesticide that growers routinely use to orchards and other field crops in the first half of the 20th century. Although the pesticides were phased out in 1950s and officially banned in 1988, the lead and arsenic from those pesticide applications still linger today, and it is possible that the tree can uptake those from soils and they can accumulate in edible fruit. That is where my research forms. My research is to investigate the relationship between the historical use of lead arsenate as orchard site, persisting lead and arsenic concentration in the soils in plant tissue, fruit, and juice. We found no significant difference in arsenic and lead concentration in apple from old orchards with history of using the pesticides and the new orchards which did not use the pesticide, and their concentration is much less than EPA and FDA regulation for these chemicals in drinking water and in apple juice. We also found that the apple tree is not an accumulator for lead and arsenic. We conclude that these concentrations of lead and arsenic are unlikely to harm human health. The data for this study could have indications in other crops. If you are ripping out an orchard, which currently happens, knowing the prior use before you go in and grow something like carrots or other root crops is going to be really important because those crops do accumulate much more metal than apple does. But the good news is you can take your mom's advice and eat an apple a day.